Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang weekly reading ninyo, April 13 to 19, 2026. General reading, pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. And of course, kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Gemini, what's the energy for you this week? Oh, wow. Meron ditong expansion. Expansion ng trabaho, expansion ng career. This is energy shift for you. This is something that you've been waiting for. Ayan. So, very active yung energy ninyo this week. Some of you focus on your happiness, focus on yung manifestations ninyo. Marami ka rin pupuntahan. Pwedeng may mga asikasuhin ka left and right, may mga errands kang gagawin this week. But this is about for your expansion. So pwedeng nag-aasikaso ka ng business mo kasi may dadagdag kang products, services, o kaya mag-open ka ng another branch. Some of you naman, this can be travel to another place, another country, dahil yun yung tutulong sa'yo para mas magkaroon ka ng growth. Pwedeng sa finances to. I also see na meron ditong ma-achieve ka na pangarap mo or a certain goal na you've been working hard to make this happen, to make it happen. Ayan. You have the Six of Pentacles, stability in your finances, no? This is balance. Pwede rin kung kailangan mo ng tulong financially or anything na resources na kailangan mo, marireceive mo yan. This is also an energy of someone na may tinutulungan. So, dahil meron kang extra, meron kang may tutulong sa iba. However, meron ditong Nine of Swords. So, you've been very busy thinking about a lot of things. So, may tendency rito na kulangan ka sa tulog or lagi kang puyat or maraming masyadong iniisip. So, ano lang, kalmahan mo lang. Oo, kasi yung kumpara sa'yo, para sa'yo talaga. So, this is about success. Merong recognition for you, Gemini. And you will be able to show off, no, yung iyong, kumbaga showcase yan. Not actually show off, but to showcase your skills, your talents, may popularity. You have the Five of Cups. I also see na meron kang ipupursue na bagay sa buhay mo na hindi mo siya naasikaso in the past. At ngayon, may pagkakataon ka na ayusin yun. So, this is your chance to finally do it. Can be anything like a project or you want to talk to someone. Ngayon, finally, makakausap mo na kasi may time ka na. You have the moon in the 10th house. This is about your career, your status, no? So, mas may focus ka at attention sa yung career path and how people sees you. I see success in your career. Some of you, meron din kayong na-attract na mga admirers na may potential na maging romantic partners. Also, with the sun in the 8th house, sun is your, yung confidence mo. Meron lang tendency rito na may mga mainggit sa mga success na nararanasan mo. Kasi parang maisip nila, ba't parang sinaswerte ka? Hindi nila alam na ito ay resulta lamang ng mga trinabaho mo, ineffortan mo in the past, no? So, wag mo na lang silang pansinin at ipakita mo na talagang deserve mo to. Diba? Itong success na ito. I also see clarity in a situation wherein you will realize kung sino yung mga taong kakampi mo, sino yung mga kaaway mo. Ayan. Step up and lead. O, diba? Merong leadership role for you this week. This can be literal na magiging manager, leader ka, OIC sa career mo. Or this is you leading your life. Ibig sabihin, walang nakikialam sa buhay mo, ikaw lang, ikaw yung nagde-decide, ikaw yung may control sa iyong life. Nothing is yet set in stone. So, there are also things na hindi pa final sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, if there's something na kailangan mong i-pursue, ayusin, do it, i-polish mo, para makuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo. Okay? Dahil hindi naman lahat secure. Depende na lang yan sa pag-aasikaso mo or kung paano mo to i-handle. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.